In today's Dirt Bike Commentary episode, we get a little bit lost on some Jeep trails at Apalachicola National Forest in Florida. We started here.
Oh, geez.
Back in his natural habitat.
Then we find a really cool place and I almost drowned.
Hurry up, my feet are getting done. That's it.
We have a run-in with a redneck gangster. We finally get on some dirt bike trail, and it's nice, of course. It's very nice. But then we see hunters. Full throttle in reverse. And we're in the crossfire zone. Ow! All right, take two.
We are bundled up and ready to rip.
So thanks again for coming in today. It is a pleasure to have you here.
I mean, I thought it's out that way more. Can I see my breath?
Of course, we traveled 2,000 miles to experience record-setting cold temperatures in Florida. Perfect.
Hell yeah, baby.
We get on this trail, we go 500 feet.
I told you!
We're back at the parking lot. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. It's been a great video today. Leave your comments. What do you think of this? I'm just kidding. We're still going. Now, most would say this is a near miss. I would call it technique. I am turning on the front wheel on a nosedive.
Restricted area, all right.
Tom sees a sign that says restricted area.
Restricted area, all right. Whoa!
Whoa! His alarm system starts going off.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that way. Huh.
Oh, false alarm.
I read that sign said restricted area. Motorcycle vehicle not past this point, but it meant straight. Pretty sure.
Go ahead, big dog. Let's get it all. Get stuck there. This is a dirt bike trail. At least the sign says so. And we get on it. And I'm not sure if they have different kinds of tape measures down here in Florida. But this is not single track, that's for sure. This is... well, if they call this single track, we are in the wrong place.
Out here blasting windy road.
It's a beautiful trail. It's just very cold. The wind chills are so cold when you're riding like this. Oh, God. And another problem is if you don't have nipple tape on, whoo, boy, you're going to wear holes through your chest protector, so that's too bad. I just bought a new one. This definitely doesn't look like a dirt bike trail.
What?
This is definitely not just a dirt bike.
I know.
I have enough gas? Yeah.
Do you not fill up? You got like half a tank.
Yeah, I'm good. Did you fill up though? No. What? All right, let's go, boys.
What the frick? Watching Pornhub in the back.
Why bother fill up your fuel tank if you're going in an unfamiliar area and don't know where you're going?
Oh yeah, look at that little wheelie. You like that?
Yeah. It goes on and on and on and on.
Too bad we don't. That was gay. That was one of the gayest things we've ever done.
That was the gayest thing I think I've ever done. We get a little bored out here. I mean, what do you... you're on this for miles. What are we going to do?
Back in his natural habitat.
Okay, where are we?
I have no... we could be going way west for all we know.
Alright, whatever.
Well, let's just do it. It's more fun this way. It's
Adam's
just...
got a gut feeling.
it's just I wish...
He's wrong, but it's okay.
We're going onto this trail. Adam has a gut feeling about it. All right. It's the mudding trail.
Oh, this is the mudding trail, dude. How'd we get on this?
Yes, I want to go mudding.
This is definitely... probably not where we want to go. Adam had a feeling, you know, mud bogs.
We're so lost that we just start doing circles. And what this allows us to do is whichever way we end up facing, that's where we'll go to get us unlost. So we go this way.
What are we coming out to here?
Alright.
That's sweet.
Oh my gosh, look what we just found.
This is like one of these mud bogging videos you see on YouTube. Yeah, baby.
Coming across this is like, well, it was like when we were driving down and we stopped at a McDonald's and it had a play place. First thing I gotta do is go to the water. I gotta check it
I
out.
wonder how deep it is. Holy.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh, I've had better ideas.
Oh, baby. Is it deep?
What kind of question? Why am I asking that? I'm in it. I'm in the
Yo,
water.
you are an idiot.
Is it deep, dude? Should I go straight or back?
No.
Go back. My feet are wet, dude. You have a boot dryer?
Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral.
Do you have a boot dryer?
Yes.
Thank God we have a boot dryer.
Hurry up. My feet are getting done. That's it. You...
Dude, come on. Oh.
When you get it to where I can touch it, I'll help.
Oh. I thought it would be like...
Dude, I'm like, this is literally one of those things you see in a YouTube video where they go mud bogging and then the truck just freaking sinks.
Dude, the water is freezing.
Well,
all right.
I saw you, I thought you were gonna go and I was like, no!
I had a split-second decision. Do I gas it or do I just...
You made the right one.
I wonder how deep it is here.
It's a dangerous game right there.
Yeah!
Donut time. If you have a donut, eat it. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh,
Tom ate it.
leg. No! Bad Zach. Bad.
Whoa.
You idiot. Why are you so dumb? No! Bad! Bad!
I'm just feeling it out. It's a good thing we checked that because I didn't want Adam to come flying.
Well, I don't think Adam's dumb enough to come reeling through here.
You gotta just ease it in.
Oh, I've been farting like crazy.
Oh God, this is scary. I don't like doing this.
I don't know what is telling me to do this.
Why? Why? Why is he dumb?
I'm just gonna like sink.
There is an interest. I just want to like go through water. It is fun going through water, right? I mean, just not deep water.
It's getting much deeper as he goes.
Am I the only one? Leave it in the comments if you like going through water.
No, bad idea.
No.
No.
I'm gonna have to go fast. Just kidding. Just kidding.
All of a sudden, we hear this roar. We got some UTVs. You know, it's like the Bloods and Crips. We don't mix. We're gonna have a fight on our hands here.
Holy crap.
Just kidding.
Good thing I didn't go in that one.
Yeah, I almost did.
This is actually really cool. This thing is lifted, and look at this water hole. That's when I was going in.
Imagine we went through that.
I went into that a little bit.
That's wild.
That's deep, man.
Whew. That's a tall ring.
Can you imagine in the summer how wild it gets here? All I can imagine is girls mud wrestling.
I can imagine some really hot Florida babes.
I know what I'm doing when I retire from dirt bikes. I'm getting myself one of those, and I'm going just through everything.
I was gonna chase him. I was gonna chase that guy down.
Hello, hey, we got friends out there. Hey, how's it going?
That's dirt bike only. I don't know if they're
No,
serious.
that's where we went. This is Trail 1. We're heading like right back to where we were.
Oh, baby, get me a slice of cheese. We got the singles right here.
Is that a deer? I think Adam just saw a deer, but I'm...
Hey! Come on! Yo, come on!
I was legitimately mad. These are beautiful whoops that we're not using. They're going to waste, and we're going so slow. But look at these trails. Something is wrong. Why are they not maintained? We hit some good patches, and we hit some bad patches. But notice it's been logged. And when we were here before, it was not logged. And it was really cool. but it looks like nobody's been out here. I'm not sure why. I'm assuming it was shut down probably for a little bit for the logging to occur, and nobody's been out here since. But that's just strange. It's very disappointing, actually. I'm sad.
It's a little bit grown in back
It's a little
there.
hard to find a rhythm in those things. You saw a deer, right? That was a deer? That's what I
got
thought.
nervous because they're right, like we're hitting the line of fire.
This one's a little grown in. It's disappointing.
So we're riding along. Next thing we know, there's a truck 30 miles per hour in reverse. Guns out the window, ready to fire. Okay, I don't know about the guns out the window, but that's what it felt like. We're in the line.
That truck's going reverse.
We're in the line of fire. We're in the war zone back here.
God.
Yeah.
That white truck going down the road paralleling us. It was doing probably 30.
Yeah, here's dogs.
I've been thinking about this. The trucks are chasing us. There's another one. The dogs were chasing us. They're not hunting deer. They're hunting us. So we get back from that ride. We sit down, relax, decide to ignite a fire inside of the trailer with all of the fuel for the bikes in here. And to add to the intelligence of the situation, we block the back off with a moving pad so that it fills with smoke and we can't breathe. This was all performed so that we could cook this delicious hot dog that I had to choke down with water.